Ogie 1685 here. Let's get those headlights in. Okay, pull your headlight out. 10 mil, 10 mil. There's a grommet, a little plug here. I've already pre-popped it out. Pull that out. And there's the 10 mil right there. Let's get a good look of these headlights before and after. So they're pretty weathered. A little bit dirty right now. Not bad. This one's way worse. It's pretty yellowed, and yeah, it's time. Especially when you got I put the new grill on. Truck's looking good. Time to upgrade the headlights. All right, we clawed out the headlight here, and you can see I got aftermarket bulbs, LED bulbs in here already. So now what we're gonna do now, if you watched my headlight video or my mirror video, we're gonna run the wires through the firewall and across over here and over to this side, and I'll show you how to hook up your signal light for your mirrors. And also these new headlights here have an LED strip, so I'm gonna hook that up to the parking light, so when my parking lights are on, the strip will be on, and obviously the mirrors are going to be hooked up to the turn signals. So here we go. Okay, really easy, guys, to identify which wire is your running light, which wire to tap into. So right now I got the truck light switch selector selected to running lights. Headlights are off, obviously, and I'm just going to unplug this. And you don't need anything special. I just got a test light here, and I'm going to probe and find out which wire is my power for my parking light, for my running light, sorry. Okay, so we got her poked in, and it's the middle wire, the middle one. That is, so we have looks like we have a white, straight white, white with a brown tracer. I'm assuming that's signal, and I'll test that in a minute. And the middle one is white with like a gray tracer, and that's the running light. That's the one we want for our LED strip on our headlights. And then I'm just gonna go off camera for a second here, put the 4-ways on and get the blinker, and I'm sure it's gonna be this one on the left, which is the white one with the brown tracer, and I'll show you that. So there we go, guys. We're on the left side of the plug. Like I'd said, the white one with the brown tracer, that's the one we're gonna hook up to our 4th gen tow mirrors here for the signal. And yeah, we'll let's run some wires in here and hook them up. Okay, guys, I got my fish wire ran through firewall right there, right around pointing the light, and we got to run up into the engine compartment here. Right here is my fish wire, so I'm going to pull them up, run them across here. Same with my boost or my pyrometer cable, ran across here and over to the headlight. All right, we got her all spliced in, ran across, and now we'll try her out. So yeah, again, white wire with the light brown tracer. There we go. Just like that, boys. Easy peasy. So here's our wires for the LED strip. So obviously the black's the ground. I'm gonna pick up the white, splice it into the running lights, and then we'll slip the bulbs in, and off we go. I want to show you guys, this is your adjustment for your headlights for the up and down. So there's a Phillips screw or Phillips head right inside that hole, and that does your adjuster, which changes your beam in here, I guess it's supposed to. I don't know. We'll see how high they are when I get them on. There you go, guys. Wow, that is super slick. Mirror's working. Oh, baby. Sorry, guys. I broke my tripod a while ago, so I'll try to set something up for a time lapse here. But same thing as the other side. 10 mil in the hole. And we'll get her popped out. A hole right there. Let that grommet. Get her popped out and wired up. But man, I am pumped. That looks so good. All right, here we are on the driver's side. Obviously the wires are going to be coated a little different. So our white with yellow in the middle. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand here. Our white in the middle with yellow is our running lights. And our white with green tracer, which is the outside one. Sorry, the plug's flipping around on me here. Is our flasher. Okay, so our white with green tracer is going to our tow mirrors for the signal. And the white with yellow is going for our LED strip on our headlights. Tied in. Bam. Everything's spliced up, tied in, loomed up, bulbs in. Woo! Yeah, guys, I'm super happy with this. Oh, the lights, signals, mirrors, puddle lights. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with these headlights. The fitment was not bad. I mean, you're never going to beat OE fitment and stuff, but I'm happy with them. They look good. So there you go, guys. That's how you hook up your put new headlights in your Dodge Ram. Also how to hook up auxiliary power if you got LED strips like this, and how to hook up the signals on your tow mirrors if you put a set on 4th gen. So there you go, guys. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe, and always comment. Have a good night.